Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic. But let me start by telling that share market can change your fate line and with tons of returns. Friends, if you are in the share market, then you have to first understand what basically you are. Are you an active investor, passive, passive investor, or an intraday trader? Let me, friends, say one thing about the active investor or a swing trader. Now, swing trading is one of the most convenient form of trading, and anybody can do, because the active investor or a swing trader tends to watch the share market and it moves himself. He will take the timely decisions, and his say one day if he starts buying or selling, he can keep the stocks for couple of days or till the selling signal is there or till his objective is achieved, and he tries to beat the market. And let me tell you, the risk, I don't say it is very high risk, though I have returned, but the returns are definitely high, and one can make up to 100% in a year. Then I will call him that he is an average trader. Not the least, friends, he knows the technical analysis very well, because to trade in the market, whether it is a swing trader or a intraday trader, a trader has to know the technical analysis, and or else he can hire a portfolio manager, which he will have to pay something out of his pocket. But since technical analysis actually is very simple, he should be able to do himself, or you should be able to do your own self. Fine. Then the key word here is that invest in the best stocks of the best groups. Like today in India we have groups like Tata, Maruti, Bajaj, Godrej, Adani, Mahindra, Birla. There may be some other groups also. They have got variety of products with them. So the few of the stocks amongst these groups are worth buying. Nevertheless, keep in mind that you have to keep an eye on the market movements. Therefore, a periodic review of every 3 months is really desired. If you want to do it yourself, friends, here is my actually choice of the stocks which I am trading at present, because it is understanding the market moves, present market moves, and these are actually the futuristic stocks too. Like, say for example, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, Aurobindo, Bharti Airtel, EID, Paridham for sugar, for they will be manufacturing ethyl alcohol used for sanitizer. Then all these stocks, you can see they are really stocks. But friends, never forget the two stocks, that is Bharti Airtel and Reliance. You must trade in these stocks because they are highly paying, and with literally no risk, zero risk I call it. But still, since you are with the technical analysis, everything should be good here. Remember, friends, you trade in the best stocks, volatile stocks, and in the up market, and technical analysis is a must for buying and selling. Please do not guess if you want to have 100% or more in a year. The share market SMS now says for the long term or the passive investors. In this, you are giving to some professionals to manage your funds here, and they will try to beat the market index, but the average return here will be about 12% per annum. Friends, I must tell you that if you keep the stock for 10, 15, 20 years, then the returns are phenomenal. Say for example, those people who invested 10,000 rupees in Infosys in the year 1993, in 1917 they were about 20 crores. 20 crores is a big amount. So the fact is that the long-term investment has a compounding return effect, and therefore the returns are great. Investors with a long-term mindset, if you want, see, I have told you they can be managed by mutual funds or they can be managed by some brokerages houses also. But if you want to manage it yourself, friends, here I am giving my choice of the funds for the long-term investments, and these greens are my choices here actually for the long-term investments. And unfortunately I have missed here on HDFC Bank. This also is my best investment for long term. Friends, what actually the whole problem here is that कि these new recent IPOs which have come, MCX, SBI Card, Afale India, IRCTC and Polycab, they are the new babies. Their equity is small and they will be growing up over a period of time. Fine, in the next 20 years, God knows what kind of return these stocks could give. So you should have a portfolio, balanced portfolio in all the sectors, and you make a decision yourself what do you want to have. Never forget to include Reliance in your portfolio. Then my best is the intraday trader. Intraday trader is a highly skilled trader in the technical analysis, and the mindset here is that he is patiently waiting for the right opportunity to enter into the intraday. He will capture all market movements during the day, and by buying or selling strategies he will make 1 day or 2 days earlier by seeing to his charts or by seeing his setup. And once again, we always say trade in the best stocks and stocks and volatile stocks. And another thing which I would like to say here is that you see the low brokerage firms, like Zerodha or 5paisa.com, where they are just charging 10 rupees for buying and selling. And please do not do any over trading in this. And this here also in intraday trading also, friends, periodic review is required every 3 months time. So please don't forget to do it. And here is my list of intraday stocks which I am having right now. They are almost, I think, similar to the swing trading, because they are representing the mood of the market and future of the market both. Here, friends, you will find that in earnings I have put up a question mark, because earning can be very good. Earning can be really, really good. I don't want to say it. Only thing is that you should know technical analysis very well, and see, this can be done. Earnings can be very high. It can be, say, roughly about 20% quite easily in a month's time. Please remember, friends, the selling at the right time is more important than the buying. I say so because once the selling signal is given, then after that what happens is the shares starts falling and it starts cutting into your profits. So selling at the right time is more important, and you can take the help of moving averages with this and also the MACD indicator with this. Friends, these are my views which may not be necessarily correct all the time or today or all the time. So please consult your financial advisor also for any buying or selling. I am very thankful to you, friends, that you are with me here for some time. And now I request you to please, first of all, press the bell button, subscribe to my channel, Share Market SMS, and friends, at the same time join me on YouTube. Thank you very much, friends, and have a nice day.